Welcome in part B of lecture number 10, the information note and agenda of SCM or MRM. This information note will be sent to the participant of the meeting. This is to notify that the steering committee meeting number so and so is going to be held as per the following schedule. All participants are requested to review last minute of meeting and internal quality audit findings before participating in the meeting. Participant will be informed about the date, time, venue and chaired by. MR will enclose the SCM agenda point and the copy of last SCM minutes of meetings along with the SCM information note. Structure agenda of the management review meeting or steering committee meeting. Ethically, we are restricted to public those agenda points which are published and available in standard of ISO. So in this video, we have paraphrased the content of the standard agenda as available in the standard of the ISO for training and mentoring purpose. Kindly refer to published copy of the ISO 9001-2015 standard. Meeting will be started with a review on last steering committee meeting minutes or management review meeting minutes. All departments and or section within the department shall present their departmental quality objective. Respective department will present statistical or figurative report on customer satisfaction data which they have collected via the company feedback form. Summarize audit report in compiled form with statistical or figurative data including metrics of the non-conformities and observation. Present summarized report on corrective action request CAR with detail of the completed or pending CARs in each department. Vendors and supplier performance including the assessment audit of due suppliers as well as the performance audit. Process performance and conformity of the product and services. Monitoring and measurement results, certification audit review, any other point notified by the chairperson, director, key participant. Continuous improvement, organization, overall business performance and setting new strategic directions. Status of the quality management system development program for ISO 9000 certification and their effectiveness. Process performance, product performance and supplier performance. Any other point may be included, for example, modification in project or new project. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video.